In this video, I will show you how to delete stickers on Snapchat. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see on Snapchat. So I'm currently here on the camera screen. Now to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is come down to the bottom and press onto the chats icon. And once you're on your chats page, you just want to go ahead and open up any chat. So I'm just going to do this with the AI. Now, once you've got your chat opened, what you need to do is come to the right-hand side of the chat box and press onto the smiley face, which is going to open up all your different stickers and emojis. From here, come down to the bottom and press onto the scissors icon, and this is going to display all your current stickers. And to delete your stickers, all you need to do is press and long hold onto the stick you want to delete. So in this example, I'm going to select my face. I'm just going to press and long hold onto the sticker. As you can see, we're going to get this pop-up window, and there's an option there to delete. So all you want to do is press on to delete. And just like that, as you can see, we've gone ahead and deleted that sticker. So that is how to delete stickers on Snapchat. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.